Remember, the day when we shall roll up the heavens like a scroll rolled up for books. As we began the first creation, we shall repeat it. It is a promise binding upon us. Truly, we shall do it. This is in chapter 21, verse 104. Okay? So, this verse indicates that the universe will vanish. Will vanish. And to be replaced by another one. To be replaced by another one.
Glory be to Allah.
Glory be to Allah. But it is for us small knowledge. وَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. You were given only little knowledge. We don't know exactly how the whole universe started. We have just only some information explained by some scientists to come closer to the truth. But in reality, we don't know really the whole story, the whole truth, except through the verses in the Quran and some information from science. Because Allah is the most knowledgeable. He is the most knowledgeable. And Allah the Almighty gave us only little knowledge. But with this little knowledge, we discovered a lot of things in order to build this earth. And Allah encouraged us to explore the whole universe, not to stop and just sit. For two purposes. For our purpose, in order to live in this earth with prosperity, and also to contemplate about the whole universe and to glorify the Creator also. Okay? So, the whole universe will vanish. In other heavens, another earth will be replaced. يوم تبدل الأرض غير الأرض والسماوات وبرزوا لله الواحد القهار. Of course, some of the interpreters of the Quran said that the earth will be replaced in its description, not in its form. Description. Okay? But anyway, the whole universe, as the Quran states, will vanish. And also, the modern cosmology is also describing the end of the whole universe. Like this. Through that, what? Another theory. It's called the Big Crunch theory. The first one?
Big Bang.
The Big Bang. The end of the whole universe through what? The Big Crunch. And the Big Crunch is telling us that the universe will reach its maximum expansion and then it will recontract to the state of beginning. So, Big Bang. Then the whole universe expanded. Then after that, after it reached its maximum expansion, it will recontract. Becomes smaller, until the state of the beginning, which is the elementary body. Then the whole universe will vanish. Of course, we have more and more imagination about after the big crunch even. They said, then it will explode again. Second Big Bang. Okay. To form a new universe with a new earth different from the present ones. Okay. Hereafter. We should stop. At this point, we don't know. It is part of the realm of unseen. Okay? But we can get from there, find from their imagination that the universe will have an end, will vanish, and this will be the day of judgment. But they don't. They know the beginning and the end. But they don't know why the whole universe started and why the whole universe will vanish. Unfortunately. If they knew, they would stand in front of Almighty Allah praying day and night until the day of judgment. But it is the devil who is keeping after human to make them astray and bring them with him to the hellfire. We ask Almighty Allah to protect us from the hellfire. Okay, so now I will give you the whole story, the complete story of the universe through this diagram. Okay. What does this diagram tell us? It tells us the following. The Big Bang. The elementary body that exploded. And from the Big Bang, the whole universe was formed. Now, the whole universe is expanding. All directions. Expanding. Now. In the beginning, now, and in the future. At what time, Allah knows the best. We don't know. But Allah tells us in the Quran that the whole universe is expanding. Okay. Then the whole universe, according to the modern cosmology, the whole universe will reach its maximum expansion. And then it will reverse, will recontract. See, here we have arrows that the universe is expanding. Now it reaches its maximum expansion. It is coming back. Recontracts, until it becomes a big, or until it reaches the big crunch and then vanish. Come to the end. Of course, they say there will be another what? Another Big Bang to form a new universe. But this is the whole story, the complete story of the universe, according to the modern cosmology. And this is written in a book called Gravitation, okay, by W.H. Freeman, San Francisco, 1973, page 1196. So, the Quranic verses and the modern cosmology both agree about the what? The universe. That the universe had a start, had a beginning. That the universe, the whole bodies of the universe were formed from smoke. That the whole universe is expanding. that the whole universe will vanish. The Quran is stating that at the end,